I want to give an encouraging word today to those who feel down and those who are going through things in life. To tell you never to give up because I've been through some things in my life and I had people who disappoint me, people who let me down, people who talk about me, people who envy me, people who hate me, people that hate you for nothing. So be encouraged and just know that God is always on your side. Do not mind the noise in the market. You always have people out there who will try to bring you down and try to talk down on your name. But you have to find within yourself that no matter what people say, no matter what they do, always be yourself, always love yourself, and always put God first. No matter what people say, no matter what they do, always be encouraged to you. Love yourself, put yourself as a priority, and don't let the negativity or others to put you down. Because people will always try to bring you down and talk down on you, and basically there's lie and spread rumors and propaganda, and you gotta know within yourself that it don't matter what they say, is that it don't matter, and just be encouraged, and day by day you will get better. Just keep a positive mindset. Don't mind what people say because you will always find enemies out there. Your friends could be your enemies, family, anyone could be your enemy. But just be encouraged. Don't never let nobody put you down because basically I had family, friends set me up, gang me, whatever. But look at me right now. I'm still here. I'm still breathing in the land of the living. Due to the grace of God, I overcome everything. I'm still going through my trials and tribulations, but I'm here through the grace of God. So ain't nothing and no one on this earth, no demon on this earth in fleshly form could ever put me down. So just be encouraged, and day by day you're gonna get it. And just remember God love you, and don't matter what people say, don't matter what they do. Always love yourself. And God and your angels is always by your side. Love and peace and light.